In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address in Klaviyo. Changing your address in Klaviyo is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow the steps carefully to ensure that your email campaigns are sent from the correct location. Whether you're moving your business, updating your contact information, or simply need to correct a typo, I've got you covered. First things first, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. To do this, navigate to the Klaviyo website and click on the Login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to the login page. Once you're on the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you enter the correct credentials associated with your Klaviyo account. After you've entered your information, click on the Login button to access your Klaviyo dashboard. Now you're in your Klaviyo dashboard, a place where you can see an overview of your campaigns, analytics, and more. However, our focus today is on changing your address, so let's proceed. To start the process of updating your address, you'll want to initiate a new email campaign. Look for the option labeled New Email Campaign in your dashboard. This option is designed to start the creation of a new campaign, but that's also where you'll find the settings to update your sender information, including your address. After selecting New Email Campaign, you'll be prompted to go through the process of setting up a campaign. Regardless of the specifics of your campaign, you'll eventually come to a stage where you can select the email message option. This is where you define the content of your emails, but it's also where we'll update our address. Upon selecting the email message option, you need to find and click on the Sender Email section. This might just seem like a small detail, but it's crucial for maintaining the professionalism and credibility of your email campaigns. Your sender email information often includes your address, which is exactly what we're here to update. Clicking on the Sender Email will bring up the editable fields for your sender information. This is where you can type in your new address. Pay close attention while updating this information. Ensuring your address is accurate is important not only for compliance with email marketing regulations, but also for maintaining trust with your subscribers. After typing in your new address, make sure to review all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate and free of typos. Your address details should include any necessary identifiers to ensure your emails display the correct sender information, complying with legal requirements and reinforcing your brand's integrity. Once you've confirmed that all the details are correct, save your changes. This might require you to navigate through the rest of the campaign setup process, but remember, the goal right now is to update your address. You don't necessarily need to launch a new campaign unless you're ready, and that's it. You've successfully updated your address in Klaviyo. This simple yet crucial change ensures that all your future email campaigns reflect your current location or corrected information. Making sure your sender information is up to date is an essential part of managing your email marketing efforts efficiently and responsibly. To recap, you've learned how to access your Klaviyo account, initiate the process to set up a new email campaign, navigate to the sender email settings, and update your address. Remember, keeping your contact information accurate in your email campaigns not only helps in maintaining transparency with your subscribers, but also aids in compliance with email marketing laws and regulations. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, consider exploring more of our content to further enhance your email marketing skills. Whether you're new to Klaviyo or looking to refine your existing strategies, staying informed and updated is key to success. Happy emailing!